Welcome student. I will explain histogram today. A histogram is the graphical representation of a frequency distribution in the form of rectangles with class intervals as basis and the corresponding frequencies as heights. There begin no gap between any two successive rectangles. Just here explain the example. Example is the daily wages given in rupees of 30 workers in a factory are. Using tally marks, make a frequency table with the interval as 300 to 310, 310 to 320 and so on. Draw a histogram for the frequency table so formed. First we make the frequency distribution table. Just first we take in class interval, second tally marks, next is frequency. Class interval be given here 300 to 310. to 320, 320 to 330, 330 to 340, 340 to 350, 350 to 360, 360 to 70, 370 to 380, 380 to 390. First is a 300 to 310. First here up to 300 to 310, just count 1, 2, 3, only 3, 1, 2, 3. Second 310 to 320, only 2, 320 to 330, only 1, 330 to 340, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 340 to 350, only 5, 350 to 360, 2, 360 to 370, 4, 370 to 380, only 2, 380 to 390, 3. Just here add all frequency, then come total 30. Means your frequency distribution table be correct. Here draw the histogram on graph paper. You have to use scale and pencil for drawing histogram. I am using pen to increase visibility. First you draw the x and y axis, means two perpendicular line. Here It is a O point, and it is a x-axis, and it is a y-axis. Here two things we just taken: daily wages and number of workers. Daily wages be taken x-axis, daily wages in rupees. Then here number of, in this side number of workers, y-axis. Just here range be start 300 to 310, means here taken 300 is starting, then here start 300, means here use the one sign, it is called the nick. In this sign is say the nick. And just here take a scale, x-axis be taken and y-axis. Scale be taken, x-axis 300, 310, 320, 330, 340, 350, 360. In this graph not taken any gap. 370, 380, 390. And y-axis be taken, one block is equal to 1 workers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. First here 300 to 310, just come frequency here 3. Just 300 to 310, 3, and 310 to 320 only 2. Then (320 to 331). (330 to 348). Here highest value 8. Then 340 to 55. (350 to 62). Then 360 to 74. Then 370 to 82. (380 to 93). Sorry, 3 only, not 4, means up to 3. Yes, it is a histogram graph. Hope everyone be understanding the which way we draw the histogram.